Hi children, now let's look at the use of that in the sentence. That, right? We'll read the sentence, yes, and look at the use of that in the sentence. I hope you'll enjoy. It's a very interesting exercise. Let's look at our first picture. Shall we? Look, use of that. Now, look at the picture and tell me, what do you see? Yes, you see a bird, probably an eagle, flying very high in the sky. Yes, here you have a question and the answer, learning to read the question, learning to read the answer, and look carefully the use of that in the sentence. What do you see in the picture? A bird. Good. Let's read. What is that? When something is far away, we'll say that. Yes? What is that? That is a bird. If you ask me what is that, you say that because the bird is very far away in the sky. That is a bird. So you learn to read the question, learn to read the answer, look at the use of that carefully in the sentence. What is that? That is a bird. Yes? Did you enjoy? Let's look at another picture. Look at this now. Isn't it a beautiful picture? Yes? Here. What is that there in the corner? White and lovely, up in the sky. Yes, moon. Let's read the question and the answer and the use of that in the sentence. What is that? That is a moon. That is a moon up in the sky. Yes, in the night. You see the moon at night. It gives us a little bit of light and you can see much. Yes, what is that? That is a moon, a nice full moon, bright moon. Let's look at another picture. Look, have you been to a place like this? Yes, water falling from the rock and it makes big noise when it comes down. When water falls from the rock very high, we call it waterfall. Waterfall. Let's read the question. What is that? That is a waterfall. That is a waterfall. From the rock, what comes? Water comes out. Okay? Read the question. What is that? That is a waterfall. Good. Let's go to a new picture. We are learning to read the question, answer the question looking at the picture, also looking at carefully the use of that in the sentence. Both the question and the answer, it begins with capital letters, ends with question with question mark, and full stop for the sentence. Look at the picture now. Where have you seen this? Hey, you live in it. It's your house. Okay, what is that? That is a house. Whose house? That is my friend's house. Or that is my neighbor's house. That is my aunt's house. What is that? That is a house. That is my friend's house. Yes? Good. Let's get on to a new picture. Where do you see a thing like this? At the beach. If you go to the beach, you look at the big, mighty sea, you will see water and water. And sometimes you might see a ship passing by. See a big water body. Let's read. What is that? That is a ship. Where did the ship go? Ships goes on the sea, the mighty sea, big water, big ocean. What is that? That is a ship. You want to see a ship? You can either go to the harbor or wait. At the beach, you might find one slowly passing by. Ships are very big, huge, not like the boat. Boats are tiny. Ships are very big. What is that? That is a ship. Let's take a new picture. Dark sky and something you see there. What is that? What is that? Far, far away in the dark sky? That is a planet. What are planets? Just like our Earth, there are many more like us with different names traveling in the dark space. Planet. Planets are also there. Lots of planets are there, just like the Earth we live in. What is that? That is a planet. How do you see the planet? Through a very sharp telescope. Yes, if you go to the planetarium, probably you might be able to see planet. Read the question. What is that? Answer. That is a planet. We learn to read the question and the answer, the use of that in the sentence. Let's look at a new picture. What do you see here? Something that goes in the sky with making a big noise. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. It's got a big fan on the top making big noise. Yes? Let's read the question. Let's read the answer. Look at that. Use of that in the sentence. What is that? That is a helicopter. Only 2-3 people can travel in a helicopter. 2 people, I think. That's it. It's a small airplane-like thing. It can fly up. You have to pick up people at emergency from different places. They use a helicopter during time of flood or fire or anything like that. Let's read the question. What is that? That is a helicopter. Shall we look at a new picture now? Yes, here we are. Look, it's a beautiful picture of the sea and a ship sailing by, probably a ship where people can travel from one port to another. They travel, not only take people, but also take goods, cargoes inside the ship. What is that? That is a ship. Where do you find the ship? Very close at the seaport. Yes. If you go to the seaport, you might find ships docked there. Otherwise, you might have to go to the beach. What is that? That is a ship. What is a ship? A very big vehicle in the ocean. Let's look at a new picture now. What do you see here? Have you seen this vehicle? Normally, these vehicles are used at the farm to till the farm or to throw the grains for growing and things like that. Okay, this is a tractor. Tractor has huge wheels and small wheel too, and it moves around nicely in the huge field where the farmers use. So here is the farmer sitting there using the tractor in his field. Let's read the question and let's read the answer, the use of that. In the sentence, what is that? That is a tractor. That is a tractor. A farmer is using his tractor. Let's look at another picture. Look high up in the tree. If you climb up, what will you see? Probably a nest. Sometimes the nest is empty, but sometimes you might find eggs in it. Yes? Yes. Let's read. And whose eggs are those? It belongs to a bird. Bird builds his own nest, lays egg, and bring up the little chick. Let's read the question. Answer. Look at that in the sentence. What is that? That is a nest. The nest is always built very high up in the tree. The bird choose tall trees to build nests so that no one will go take away the little eggs or the chicks. What is that? That is a nest. What is a nest? Nest is a home built by the birds with their own beaks. What do they use to build the nest? Twigs, cotton, soft cloth, leaves. Okay? Good. Let's look at another picture. Let's read the question and the answer and use of that in the sentence. Look carefully. What do you see here? What do you see here? Beautiful painting of a lovely scenery. Somebody has done a lovely painting of a scenery. Yes, bridge and water and trees and whatnot. Let's read the question. What is that? That is a scenery. See, what is scenery? A nature, picture of a nature, the bridges and trees and water flowing down. What is that? That is a scenery. That is a beautiful scenery, pleasing for the eyes. We learn to read the question and the answer, the use of that in the sentence. Let's go on to a new picture. What do you see here? Yes? Can you see a train going on top? Have you gone in the metro? Yes, see, look at that. High speed train. Let's read over the bridge. There, over the bridge is passing by. What is that? You're asking Daddy, and Daddy says, that is a train going over the bridge. What is that? That is a train. You learn to read the question, you learn to read the answer, and the use of that. What is that? That is a train. Good.